test.
Don't suck what this is.
Oh yeah, she has.
Together we can.
Slipper time. Valentine's Day.
We're watching Coco.
It's frickin' bats. Professor is going to Nigeria.
That's a rectangle. Close enough.
What challenges have you faced in Greek life?
With the sisters. Yay.
It's hello. Strong. That's why I'm
Oh, camping.
I have a boyfriend now.
What can't you go into right?
Yes, come through tap solo.
A huge mess right now, isn't it?
Absolutely.
A few of the videos that I've been working on. Downpouring right now. Got the goods. And we made it to the closing of them. Wow. This is actually insane. This is our view today.
Tutto bene? Tutto a posto.
Look who's here! Yay! Barely made it, but we're here and we're walking.
What do you think, Catherine?
It really, oh my god.
French fries after this.
Oh, definitely.
Doesn't one of yours not even work?
Yeah. This is insane.
What'd you get? Yeah, they kept getting yeah.
Last flight to Des Moines.
Ooh, look at that booty.
I ended up having to carry a textbook. Yeah, no. Well, yeah, now you are. We're at Alpha P right now, and it is absolutely done pouring.
I have a couple branches in there. It's the prettiest day on a fresh man my eyes have ever seen.
Look at you! Oh my goodness!
I just think about the Alexander technique workshop, and I'm feeling so much better about myself.
You gotta get him in the other way.
Katie.
I'm finally on. I forgot you had a YouTube channel.
Vlogmas Day 4.
The squirrels ate the sensors in my car.
Boom, I did it. My turn is in like 20 minutes. Just watch. You got all the lines.
I really like this angle.
Who are we? Oh my god.
Nope, we're two halves of a whole idiot.